Hello everybody, welcome to video 2 of lesson number 16. This is Mr. Honahan. What we're going to be doing is picking up where video number 1 left off with Ms. Swan. We're going to take our 3 screenshots and we're going to post that to our MPW nutrition page. So in order to do that, let's first get there. So we're going to go back to our web page. We're going to click on the nutrition tab, which is on the left hand side. And you notice the default is going to always be a layout of one column. And we want to change that to a one column simple, which is, one column, which is right there. And you notice you're going to have 3 boxes for which we can put information into. We're going to insert a table in that first box. So in order to do that, I'm going to click in the box right underneath nutrition. I'm going to click on table. I'm going to insert a 2x1 table. Okay. So capture 1 is going to go in this cell. Capture 2 is going to go here. And capture 3 is going to go right there. So in order to insert an image, we're going to click on insert. Scroll to image. And you're going to see an opportunity to choose a file. I've already uploaded these previously, but in order to navigate back to where you've taken the pictures, you should be on your desktop at this point. You're going to click choose file. You're going to select desktop because you just put it there. And you should scroll down and you should see your capture 1, your capture 2, and your capture 3. You perhaps have named those daily food group targets for capture 1, daily limits for capture 2, or nutrients report for capture 3. No matter how you imported them, the first one is going to be the bar graph, the second one is going to be a horizontal bar graph, and the third one is going to be your nutrients, kind of like a table setting. So let's click on all 3 of those and you can upload them all at once. And it's going to look like that. So the first one we're going to select is this bar graph one, which is our daily food group targets. Click on that, and hit OK. There it is. The first one's right there. And again, you may have to change the size of the image. If you can click on that, you can do small, medium, large. Let's stick with original for now. The second, I'm also going to click on the second part of the table, which is just to the right of the daily food group targets. Click insert. Image. My daily limits in. And hit OK. Next one. And then underneath that, and I'll scroll down just a little bit so you can see. Underneath that, you're going to insert your third and final one, which is the nutrients. Click on insert. Go third. OK. As always, let's click save here. Make sure that we're working on the same page. And you see how everything is nice and big right there? You can scroll down a little bit. Again, I would recommend kind of leaving the defaults right there because it does expand to the size of screenshots you took. And the nutrients, you can certainly read those for your reference. Okay, so that completes video 2. And when you're done with this, again, we're going to highly recommend, let's go back to the checklist here. And I'm going to make sure that I have completed everything up through and including this lesson. So everything from lesson number 1 through lesson number 16 should be updated. Okay, if you see any reds up here in 1 through 16, you should start moving them over and working on that so you're staying on track. And again, as always, it's going to update your MPW checklist. If you have any questions or you're finished early, by all means, just raise your hand and have one of the teachers just check your work and make sure you're on track for finishing this. Okay, congratulations for finishing lesson number 16.